not be taught in school, and it will not be the part of school
Think that
curriculum,
nowadays
then
the
what
students are not having that much interest in history.
not?
Like
It is very important. Yes,
that history is important for us in our life. So if
you say that we have to learn history in other places, in other institutions. Why?
in
We are
history,
going to
what do we learn? It's all about the dates and events and those people which are actually dead. Like
Assalamu alaikum. I am Mustafa from level 3 class, and today I am debating with a great debater as Ruqayya. And the topic is about do the history be the part of school curriculum? And I am saying yes, because history play a vital role in our lives, and school is the first stage of every student. If the history will not be taught in school, and it will not be the part of school curriculum, then what happened in what is the role of history in our lives? What how can we understand the importance of history? The how can we love the with our history? How can we identify our identity, our culture? History makes us to understand, to learn about the past, and what happened past, and in which state now we are. Like we can see the industrial revolution, how that changed our lives. That all today we are getting modernized, then it is because of the history we know about.
nowadays the students are not having that much interest in history. Like most of the students are not going to work in like history related fields or something. So I think that teachers should teach the important topics which are important for our career and our workplace, like science, math, engineering, and etc. And instead of history, I think in our school there should be other subjects like art, music. It can be more fun and students can build their confidence and they can participate, because I think history is kind of boring for the students of this generation. And if you're saying that it should be like taught, then it's not like we should learn about the past. The teacher can teach us about the current problems, social issues, and I think it's more relevant to our daily life.
History is not that thing that we must interest or not. It is very important. As I said that it play a vital role. Well, it is not about the interest or just interest. Well, history is very important. And you said that history is not important because of the interest of the students. True is everything have history, then we have to learn history, because today I'm standing here and debating. Is this debate session is having history? Yeah, of course it is having history. And I speak in English. And this English language is having history. Means all things are having histories, and we learn history that we get facts, we get love, and there are many countries that who are making history subjects, means, and they are privatizing the history. Let's take the example of Nigeria. The famous teacher of Nigerian, he said, and he made a subject of history in the primary or secondary school. Here we know the importance of history.
That history is important for us in our life. So if you are saying that it's so much important, that much important for our life, then it's not important that we should learn it in our schools. We can learn it by documentaries, by museums, and by the online resources. Like, I'm not saying that history should not be taught anywhere. We are just only talking about the schools, and the students who are actually interested in history, who actually love the history, they can learn it from online, means online education and other resources, and it will be their own choice. Like those students that are not interested in history, they cannot learn it, and those who are interested, they can learn it. It will be their choice. And I think in history there are only dates and events. We have to like do the rectification of those things, which is like a burden on the students.
You say that we have to learn history in other places, in other institutions. Why? We are going to school. Schools are that place where we get the knowledge, very authentic knowledge. And in school, everything are verified. There is no informal things. In schools, there all things are correct way, in a good way. We will be taught.
In history, what do we learn? It's all about the dates and events and those people which are actually dead. Like why we are learning about those people that are actually dead. If you're saying that we get inspiration by them, then what kind of inspiration? Inspiration of learning how to start a war or something. I think history is not that much important, like the main subjects. It's not that much important. And as I said before, that if you are so much interested and you love history that much, you can learn it from the you can learn it in the other places,